Welcome back to another video. Today we're shopping at Walmart. We're looking at the Hart tools, toolboxes, hand tools, and power tools. Don't forget to smash the like button, hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more reviews to deals. Yeah, we got that grinder. We got the miter soft 7 1/4. We got some Hart tools or toolboxes. I was actually looking at the first time that I see a box. This is storage. Welded storage. That is the toolbox, the top chest, the bottom chest. It's $282. It does have a self-stopping or self. It does have the USB ports on the right side and the power cords. Hart on the top. Actually, not a bad toolbox. I actually wouldn't mind having one of these at in my house. Seems pretty decent. You know, it's not top quality, but it's not the worst quality. So it's like a mid-range type of box there. But yeah, I like the self closing feature on that box. Got some screwdrivers there. As you guys can see, they do have a wide selection. $10.94, $4.96 for a pair. $16.88. Yeah, a lot of selection. And as time goes by, you get a lot more tools and stuff, especially from Hart brand. Stud finder. Got a laser. You got some tape measures, all kinds of different sizes. As you guys can see, all the Walmarts are starting to look more with more blue tools. Got some saws, hand saws. Got a pliers set there for $24. Got some crescent wrenches. Locking pliers. Some pliers there. Some mechanics sets, 340 piece. That's the bigger set there. If I'm going too fast for you guys, feel free to rewind it or pause the video and look at the item. I just try to make this video as fast as possible. Get as much information as, you know, in the least amount of time. $20.74. And then you got some more storage cabinets for the garage. Yeah, I actually thought those were Hart, but they're not. But yeah, some storage cabinets. Oh, and those are the rolling toolboxes there. And I actually looked at the price. It's $39.94. So that is the price for that. I just looked at it online on the website. Make sure that was the price. But yeah, it seems pretty good quality. I mean, pretty decent. Not your pack out from Milwaukee or anything like that, but it will get the job done. It will, you know, good storage there. Looks nice. $39.84. Yeah, I was just trying to make sure that was the price for that. And then you got that one for $24.97. $16.97. Says it's waterproof. The base. You got some flat hyper tough flashlights. Then you got the rotary tool for $69. Not a bad deal. And you got a lot of hyper tough that are trying to clear out. So every time you're rolling out into or walking into a Walmart, make sure you're looking at all the clearance items, because they are clearancing all the old stuff out and bringing the new stuff in. Got some hyper tough drills. And then on the bottom there, you got a vacuum to the right, $29.76. Got an inflator there for $29.88. And then you got a sander there for $44.88. And a circular saw to the left for $69. And then you got a fan there for $29, I believe. Yeah, $29.76. Yeah, not bad looking tools. And you guys, most of these tools are DIY. You know, it's not your professional grade tool. That's a hammer drill for $79 up on the top. You got the drill and impact driver, $94. $48.88, $69. Impact driver. Yeah, no brushless tools. All these tools are brushed, most of them. Or actually all of them. Yeah, I don't think there's any brushless. $32.47. 200 piece. You got a 29 piece. A 4-volt screwdriver. And yeah, I was looking at that little item there. I thought it was a charger. It's actually a USB port. Yeah, I was just comparing it to that charger on the top. It does have the 2 USB ports on the sides, if you guys see there closely. But yeah, for $19.88, not a bad little deal for that. If you're already on the platform, you know, with these batteries. Extra batteries 54 for a 2 amp hour. And then the 1.5 amp hour at the top. You got the drill bits there. Yeah, a lot of selection there. 1674. Some more accessories for the drills. 324. Nut settlers. Polishing sanding pads. Some wire wheels. Yeah, I just wanted to share this with you guys. And actually some vacuums. That's the higher, the bigger vacuums there, 16 gallons. Anyways, I just want to share this with you guys. Don't forget to smash the like button. Hit the subscribe, hit the bell for more Turbos to deals, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.